What I also predict is that I believe China is going to get way ahead of the United States on AI if they're not already there, largely because they just sort of do whatever they want. The government kind of moves forward with brute force. That's why they have things like electric trains and light rails. They go 250 miles an hour. They go all the way across China because they don't have issues with property rights and stuff like that like we have here. Also, they don't really have much of a concept of what's the word? Intellectual property. They don't in China, they don't view intellectual property the way we view intellectual property. So in China, I remember when I taught when I was teaching finance in China, I noticed that like movies that were not even in the theaters yet over here would be getting sold on the street in China because somebody in the factory would just, grab a copy, bootleg it, and they'd be selling it on the street. They were terrible copies, but they just really don't have any sort of concern or respect for anybody else's intellectual property. So I think that that's going to lead to them being able to really move forward and advance on AI in ways that we won't. And